So we are still in the early stages. I am currently working on my website and I'll show you some of the designs. I don't know if these are gonna be what I use, but I'm just playing around with stuff right now. Frog 2, save to desktop, JPEG. So I just made this in Photoshop. My cousin Tallulah made this part, and then my cousin Fred made this part, which is so cool. Go into edit imagery, because it's kind of too cropped. Just drag that in, and see, delete this one. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. And then we go to this tab up here. This is just what I'm using as a placeholder. I'm gonna see what it looks like on the phone because I feel like most people go on their phone. I personally like being on a computer better, but I have a feeling most people are gonna be on their phones ordering this. So if you're on your phone right now ordering my necklace, thank you. Okay, wait, let me screen record this so I could pop that baby right there. Okay, so it kind of gets cropped, so I need to make it a little tinier. But then you would press shop, and then yeah, obviously this would be a different image. But like, this looks pretty good. So far, I've had these stickers made up. There's like die cut stickers, and right now I am placing the order for the necklaces, which is really exciting. They're coming from a family business in New York, which is gonna be good because I always support small businesses. I'm kind of scared. I guess I have to type in my credit card information, but I'm nervous. Here we go. Okay, we're submitting it. I just placed my order, like I approved everything for the necklaces. So they're gonna start making them and they should be here in about 3 weeks. Probably sooner because they are coming from a place in New York. So it shouldn't take that long to ship to me. Right now I'm ordering bags to put the necklaces in, and I want to do something that like you guys could reuse and it's not just gonna get thrown in the garbage because I'm trying to be sustainable. And so I think I'm gonna do like little like organza bags because then you can always put like your other jewelry in them or keep the necklace in it so it doesn't get tangled and stuff. I just got my first delivery for this whole entire merch process, and drum roll please, it's adhesive label paper. This will just make it easier to print out all the labels and put it on the package. Step 1 of shipping complete. Yep. What's up, YouTube? So I just received the second thing in the mail. Just kidding, I know what they are. I ordered just a bunch of organza bags in neon green. Actually today I placed an order for little business cards, which I was thinking would fit in here, but they're not going to. But it's fine, it'll still be cute. I could probably do like that and then put them in. We have a big package today. Yay! They're just envelopes, but I'm excited. These are gonna be perfect. Oh my god, yay. Part 4? Another part just came in the mail. I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna unbox it. These are my little business card, like little cards to put in all of the little green bags. Also, I feel like this video could be helpful if you want to do something similar, like release merch or start a little small business. Ugh. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. They're literally perfect. Oh. I'm going to deliver the first shipments to Liv, Fritz, and Tallulah because Tallulah designed it. Liv, of course, my bestie, and I want her to have one. And Fritz is gonna help me take pictures for my website. So that's what we're doing right now. What's up, Skye Squad? The time has come to start packaging up all the orders, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And again, I'm doing this all myself. I might have my mom help me because she offered to help. I'm just gonna sit here and start packaging up. Basically, this is what most of them are gonna look like. I don't have enough stickers for everybody, so I think just like the first however many orders will get a sticker. But they have a little card sticker and the necklace in this little green bag. Okay, I've been sitting here, I watched a movie, and now I'm watching Umbrella Academy. I've packed a few hundred so far, but they're looking good. I just like have them in these containers because these ones have stickers like that, and then a little handwritten note for the first 100 people, and then I'm doing the rest, just the card and the necklace. Today is the day that I am shooting for the necklaces. I am on my way to New York right now to take some cute little photos. I have this green outfit that I made. I turned a sweater and a shirt into a little cute sweater and a skirt. So you'll see that in a second. And I just did this like Bella Hadid inspired ponytail. I've made it to New York and I put on my green outfit that matches the necklace perfectly. I met up with Fritz. We're taking some pictures. Right now I have the flame nails on, but I ordered a pair of custom nails that are frog themed to match my merch. And I just got them in the mail. So I'll be taking like some shots like that wearing the necklace with my nails. Oh my god. These are crazy. If you're watching this video, that means the necklaces are out and you can shop them at viennasky.com. And just for something extra special and fun, I will be hand delivering the necklaces to the first 3 people in New Jersey to place their order. So if you want me to hand deliver them, place your order right now. And as you can see, I have a nice room set up now, so I will be making more YouTube videos. You can hold me to that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.